Hi guys, and a warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Cheers. So as you see from the thumbnail, we'll be testing out some products from Mild Deep. It is going to be Release, which is their citrus pre-wash, Snow, which obviously is their snow foam, Cleanse, which is their shampoo, Sheen, which is their drying aid, and Refresh, which is an interior cleaner. So we're going straight in with the before clips. Now this Swift has had a lot of work done to it, as explained in the last video, and it's just been sat on my drive for a while. So it hasn't had any form of washing, any products on it. The interior has been done, but the outside is absolutely bogging. So these products will have their work cut out if they're going to shift this grime and dirt. Just as you can see, the boot and the door shuts are green. So we're on to our citrus. So this is Release. I mixed this up as 1 to 5, which is for medium soiling, and then applied in a trigger spray bottle. Left to dwell for up to 5 minutes. Maybe a bit longer, all depends on the temperature. If the temperature's too warm, then dial it down a couple of minutes and then spray off. Or if you wanted to, you could spray on the citrus and then blanket it with a layer of snow foam. So upon talking to the owner of Mild Deep, we got into a discussion about the company, and he was telling me that it's a new small business and they are trying to push the business as eco-friendly as possible. With all their shipping stuff is recycled and bioplastic/biodegradable. All products going into 500ml bottles are now bioplastic, and they are developing version 2 of some of their products to be more bio-friendly as well. Let's just hope other manufacturers can follow suit and we can all do our little bit to save this little crazy round thing that we call home. So back to the citrus. What did I think? Yeah, it's done its job. Broke down the dirt and grime very, very well. All round very impressed. And I know I've said in previous videos that branding is not everything, it's about what's in the bottle. But for a relatively small new business, I think Mild Deep has hit the branding nail extremely hard on the head. There's no denying that the black bottles, the matte and the gloss, with the green decals and lid, are on point. So now the citrus has been left to dwell and do its magic. We're just going to simply rinse off. And as I've said, rinse off whichever way you want to, as long as you get all the chemical off your car. So if any of you watching have had anything to do with Mild Deep, or if you've used these products, let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. It's always interesting to have other people's opinions as well. So now we're on to the snow foam. This is a pH neutral snow foam. It is very, very clingy and it hangs about. It's done a great job of loosening and removing the dirt. And also it is very friendly on all LSP. LSP stands for last stage product or protection. I diluted this to 1:15 for medium soiling. Left to dwell. I could have left this dwell for 20-30 minutes if I wanted to. It hung around that much, but after about 5 to 10 minutes I rinsed off and I was very impressed. So now it's time just to rinse the snow foam off the car and get ready for the contact wash using the 2-bucket method. And for those of you that don't know what the 2-bucket method is, it basically you have your shampoo and your warm water or cold water solution in the one bucket, and then you have clean, cold or warm water in another bucket, which you go into the shampoo, wash the car, into the rinse bucket with the cold water or the warm water with no shampoo, and then back into the shampoo bucket, and then repeat throughout the wash stage. And as I said previous, this is the next morning after the wash and the snow foam was still hanging round. So now on to the contact wash. So I've just applied some cleanse shampoo in this bucket and we're just going to foam up. This is a lovely scent. I applied this via snow foam lance off camera, and the smell of chocolate orange that you get from it is absolutely beautiful. Fair play. Now this shampoo, loads of lubricity, slides very well. It doesn't grab, really good cleaning power, and I'm really impressed with how this works. It's very good. And just like a few of the other products that we've used in this video, this shampoo is pH neutral and LSP safe, so it's always good to know. So just before we apply sheen, just watch the water behavior. As you can see, it's flooding this panel. There is no protection at all on this panel. So now we're on to sheen. Basically, sheen is a high performance instant gloss coating / drying aid, which can be easily applied via snow foam lance like I'm doing in the video, or via pump sprayer or spray bottle, then rinse. So just like this snow foam, this does foam up very well and it rinses off very nice. And as you'll see via me rinsing off, the paint was boring. It was dull and boring when I started. Now you can see this gloss enhancement really working, and it's brought the shine right back into this car's paint. So I'm very impressed. This is just a little snip of the water behaviour, because it is part drying aid, so it does make drying the car a lot easier. And there's a massive difference in the water behaviour compared to the before, where it flooded the panel. Now it doesn't really want to hang around. Very, very nifty little feature having the safety cap on these bottles. So now it's time to physically dry the car, and with the help of the drying aid of Sheen, it's made light work. There's not much work for this towel to do. So just before we see the afters, I do want to say I was also sent this Refresh, which is a sanitizing interior cleaner. So it was sprayed on and wiped off, and it left a very, very nice shine and a clean, fresh scent. So I was very happy with this. And also it's supposed to destroy all viruses, including coronavirus, and prevents the spread of bacteria. As you can see in the after clips, these products have totally transformed the way this car was a few hours ago. It had been stood for a while on my drive, so it had been dirty and left. It's brought the shine back in, and it's like a different car. I'm very, very happy with the way these products are performed, and I would recommend them to anybody. So I'd like to say a massive thank you to Mile Deep for sending me a few products. Please guys, go follow them on all socials, send them some love. Go check out their website, links will be in the description for these products. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.